Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Today I'm cooking an Iranian lamb stew with yogurt. That meat has been cooked long and slow until it's falling apart. It is absolutely delicious. So into a frying pan I'm going to put about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And when it's heating up I'm going to put in one large onion, roughly chopped. And I'm just going to cook that onion until it softens a little. I'm going to add some salt, a good pinch of salt, and some freshly cracked black pepper. And then a teaspoon of garlic paste, which is about equivalent to about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic minced up. I'm just going to cook them in and let them soften a little bit. We don't need to cook them too long because this is going to be cooked for a long time afterwards. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Going to let those spices cook in for about 30-40 seconds. Oh, and I forgot, sorry, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Just cook it in for a few seconds more. And then I'm going to add 250 millilitres of water. And half of a 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes. Going to mix that in and then we're just going to cook it until it's bubbling. And when it's bubbling, I will take it off the stove. And pour it into my trusty slow cooker or crock pot or whatever you want to call it. Just tip it all in. And now I'm going to add the meat. So I have 800 grams of lamb shoulder cut up into bite-sized pieces. As you can see, bite-sized pieces. Place it all in, mix it all up, and we're going to cook this for about 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, but you can keep an eye on the meat. But I did mine for just under 4 hours. And you could just imagine what that's going to do to A, the flavour of that meat, and B, the meat itself. It's going to be so tender. And in the meantime, I am going to take 500 grams of yogurt, Greek yogurt in this case. I'm actually going to put in a couple of tablespoons of the cooking liquor from the lamb. And I'm also going to put in some saffron-infused water. So hot water. This will give not only a great flavour to the yogurt, but also a wonderful colour. Then just mix it up. I can put in some more. And just keep stirring it. And look at that colour. Incredible, incredible colour. It's in a saucepan because I'm going to warm it slightly before serving. And after 4 hours, we're ready to serve. So, pour some of that amazing lamb, which is absolutely falling apart, into a serving plate. I prefer to put it towards the front. Pile it up. The smell of this was fantastic. I'm going to get some plain boiled rice, put it behind, and then pour over some of that amazing saffron infused yogurt over the meat. And then finally I'm going to sprinkle over some fruit and nuts. So I've got some reconstituted goji berries and some toasted pistachios and almond flakes. I mean, it wouldn't be Middle Eastern without nuts and fruit on it, would it? But there we have it. Iranian lamb stew with yogurt. Amazing. Once again, thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell, and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So take care, peace, love, and I'll see you all very soon.